this is our tutorial for making our 3D Christmas parol. This is for the older kids, grades 4, 5, and 6. So each student will receive a cardstock paper in either green or red with the star already drawn on it. It's also labeled where to punch the hole on the top and then where to attach the ribbons on the bottom. So this is the back side of the star. So the first step for the students will be to cut the star along the edges, and then this is what your star obviously will look like. Once the star is cut out, oh, here's the back side. Once the star is cut out, the next step is to use your take your ruler and line it up against the tip of the star against the opposite end. So line up your ruler, tip to opposite end, and you want to fold the paper along the ruler. Then you go to the next tip and line it up from tip to opposite end and fold. And you want to do this for all 5 tips of the star. Tip to opposite end and fold. Tip to opposite end and fold. So once you have it all folded, this is what you'll get. This is what gives the star the 3D effect. To make it more pronounced, you can fold it like an accordion and kind of press along the edges, and then that will give it an even better 3D effect like that. So once you have that done, the next step is to decorate the star. Here we have a green one, and it's already decorated. What works really well is to take your metallic Sharpie that will have in either silver or gold and draw a line across the creases from the middle to the outside, and also draw a line along the edges to kind of give it that outline effect. And then in between the lines, they can draw stars or Christmas trees or any Christmas related drawing that they want to do. And once the parol is decorated, the next thing to do is to attach the ribbons. Each student will get these pre-cut, pre-curled ribbons, and then they just have to tape it to the back of the parol. Usually 2 ribbons per side works really well, so each student will need a total of probably 4 ribbons. And then you want to punch a hole on the top where it's labeled hole punch. And that's where you'll put another ribbon to hang the parol. So once you have that ribbon on the top, you're done with the project. And this is what you'll end up with. A ribbon on the top for hanging, 2 ribbons on each side on the bottom, and then your 3D parol that's decorated.